This is the final video to solve Logilda.dll errors. And if you're also seeing annoying pop-ups saying Logilda.dll is missing or not found, stay with me because I'll walk you through every simple fix. I'm from Rexisht, and I know how confusing this Logitech file can be when it suddenly stops working. Logilda.dll is a Logitech download assistant file. Its job is to check for new Logitech mouse or keyboard updates when you start your PC. But when a file gets deleted, corrupted, or the program is uninstalled incorrectly, Windows keeps trying to load it and shows that error. A lot of guides online make the fix look complicated, but the real solutions are super easy. When I faced this problem myself, I tried everything, and one simple trick finally solved it. But first, here are all the ways you can fix Logilda.dll issues, so you can definitely get rid of that pop-up. Start by disabling Logitech Download Assistant from Startup. Open Task Manager, go to Startup, find Logitech Download Assistant, and disable it. This alone removes the error for many people. Next, reinstall Logitech Options or Logitech G Hub. Installing the correct software restores missing Logilda.dll automatically. If you recently uninstalled Logitech software, remove leftover entries. Go to Task Scheduler, look for Logitech tasks, and delete the one pointing to Logilda.dll. Also remove leftover folders. Open Program Files in Program Files.